Hello, my name's Mel, welcome to my world, and for those of you that are new to my channel, it's all about self-built camper vans and camper van related stuff, and occasionally I like to go treasure hunting. So if that's something that interests you, then please do consider subscribing to my channel. Now today's Wednesday, so this is Waffle on a... who's that? Hang about. This is Keith and his daughter Hannah.
Hi.
And Keith messaged me earlier on in the week, sent me an email saying he's got some stuff that he would like to donate to the chicken shed for everyone to use that comes here. Thank you, Keith, it's so kind of you.
You're welcome.
It really is kind. And Keith has been a long-term subscriber of mine, and so has Hannah. So I really do appreciate it. And Adie's disappeared somewhere. But anyway, we'll talk to Adie later. Let's take a look at what Keith has brought us. He says it's a belated Christmas present. And it's driven all the way from Essex, by the way. And how long did it take to get here?
It's about 3 hours.
3 hours he's driven.
For, a little bit of food and stuff. Half my bedding. Just to cover everything up.
Oh my goodness me, when you said you had a welder, I weren't expecting that. It's huge. Could you hold that and I'll help your dad get it out? Do you need hands? Oh, I've got it.
Should be alright.
Goodness me.
It's a Sealy power turbo fan.
Called. What is it, a welder of some sort?
Yeah, it's a MIG.
A MIG welder.
MIG.
I'm sure someone will find that useful.
Yeah, MIG welder. It's a pretty good welder. It's been sitting in the garage for about 4 years, but it's hardly been used.
Never used it?
Never used it. They said, oh, that looks nice, I'll buy that. Put it in the garage, never used it.
Never used it, so you thought, oh no.
Merry Christmas.
Yeah, thank you, Keith.
That's a bottle of propane, that's full.
Adie's got a pizza oven that runs on propane.
Oh, useful.
Yes.
And this one's still got a little bit in there. The bloke who I got them off was doing roofing, melting down
Oh yeah,
tar.
yeah, like,
it's a tar, like a tar pot.
Yeah.
And that one he'd used most of, but yeah, that one was like a reserve.
Yeah.
So you had one spare.
Adie, you got some gas for your pizza oven?
Yes, please.
I've been craving pizza all this week since you walked in the kitchen with that pizza. Because I'm on a keto diet, I can't have pizza. Oh my God. You're going to need any of that, surely.
Yeah. That's
oh wow.
That's wire.
A MIG wire.
Oh, well done.
A full
Nice
one
one.
generator with a load of fuel in it.
Flippin' heck.
Somebody said I want to get rid of it. So
Really? Well, they just gave it to you.
there you go.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sure somebody will fall in love with that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's. But what we're doing is we're doing a shelf of stuff. So if people are short on things, they'll be able to help themselves.
Yeah, or if you're sort of like have a power outage here, then
Yeah, no, that's perfect.
It's pretty remote here, as you can see.
yes, this should run that
Wow.
Yeah.
straight off.
Wow.
I think it's a 3.2. Yeah, 3.2 kVA.
This bad boy.
Certainly. I wasn't expecting that. Was you expecting something
No.
like that? I thought
No, I thought it was going to be a toy one. That's brilliant.
No. You know, people. There was a load of other tools going into a skip.
Yeah.
And they bought 2 skips and they tossed a load of corded drills, circular saws, and all the rest of it. So I thought I was too late on that.
Okay.
But it's 110,
110,
240.
240, look,
And I think there's a 24 volt
Outlet
or
as well.
10, 12, 24 volt outlet as well.
Let's get it out.
Perfect.
Oh, that's a beast.
That is wicked. Oh, exactly,
that.
yeah. Most excellent. Most grateful. Yeah, brilliant.
I haven't finished yet.
Oh, come on. Talia?
I'm blown away, aren't you? Okay.
How's the same?
Oh, yeah, okay, okay.
That's my little toolkit, I'll have that. Gas regulator.
Oh yeah.
It hasn't even been used.
Oh, look
Good
at that.
packet.
Is that for the weld though, is it?
That's for
Gas bottle.
the bottle.
Oh, right.
Yeah.
That's to come out in the mug.
Yeah.
You know, it's
Wow.
brand new.
Yeah.
I thought we doing chucking all that away. I mean,
That's crazy.
Don't throw it away.
Yeah.
yeah.
Oh, it's just some
Regulator.
Well, I'm sure we'll make use of it. Hey,
Yeah, regulator's around about 150 quid.
people- Yeah. Yeah.
thank
Brilliant.
you.
That's brilliant.
Give our camera lady a thumbs up. Thank you.
You're welcome. I try.
Come on, everyone give Keith a big thumbs up. He's driven all the way from Essex with all this stuff in the back of his tiny little van. Look at the size of that. Unbelievable.
Wow.
Small block of wood for your stove.
Oregon.
Oh,
yeah.
thank you. I'll get a block of wood. Hey.
Thank you very much. That is.
Hang on, it's
Very
got paint.
generous.
It's got paint on it, Keith. I can't burn that.
Can't you?
No, it'll make too much smoke. And you've been using this as a camper.
Yeah.
Marvellous.
just for so like a day or two, you know.
Yeah.
To so like get out and
Mate, a good project, wasn't it? Turn one of these into a like a micro camper.
yeah.
I've seen a couple who've done it in Germany
Yeah?
with the Opal.
Uh huh.
The Opal course.
I'd imagine
project.
it's quite cheap to run as well, isn't it? Is it the little three cylinder diesel engine?
No, this is the
Proper one.
This is the proper one, yeah.
Fit you in there.
Yeah, proper 100 and
Put you in
104
there.
horsepower or
can start
something
working
like
your
that.
van.
Yeah.
Nice.
I'm going to go off to my uncle's Mel's now and then see him. He lives in sort of like South Wales, and then after that back home tonight.
Right. Long day for you then. So you go off to South Wales and then you're going to drive all the way back to
Back to
Essex.
Essex, yeah.
Probably get home around 10 p.m.
Yeah.
I think you'll be later than that.
He said 10 p.m.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whereabouts in South Wales are you going?
Newport.
Oh yeah.
It's not that far away.
No,
is it?
Newport, just across the bridge, eh?
Yeah.
Should stay overnight, just get a motel or a hotel. There's loads of hotels around here and they're really super cheap this time of year.
Newport, yeah, cheap as chips.
Yeah.
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 But the problem is I've got so much work to get on with
Oh,
tomorrow.
there's
Monday,
always
Tuesday.
work, isn't there?
Always jobs to do.
Diesel heater.
Yeah.
Yeah, they always smoke when you first fit them, but after a while then the smoke dissipates and yeah, because it's just oil from when they're manufactured inside the burn chamber. Yeah.
Trying to heat it up so that it
Yeah,
produces
yeah.
heat
When you
quick.
first use them, they smoke, but it soon goes. But yeah, the Bluetooth issue was my fault. Becky sorted that out. But yeah, they're good.
I'm glad it's gone to a good home,
Thank you. It's really kind
you
of
know,
you.
instead of a skip.
Yeah, yeah. I'm sure plenty of people are going to find use for that.
Will it stay here to be used for the community?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah, yeah. That'll stay here now. Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I've got any problems, I know where to
You
come.
know where to come, mate. You're always
And-
welcome. So you get 2 ton in there.
Yeah, 2 ton. That's why it came down here so
Yeah, we've
easy.
got to get one of these.
Yeah.
I want to make a micro camper.
I think you should.
Yeah. I think it'll be a great little project. Thank you. Thank
Right,
you.
Take care, yourself, Mel.
Thank you
And
very
I'll
much.
see you soon.
Yeah, yeah. Pop
Take
by.
care, all.
Anytime you're on your way to your uncle's, you're
Yeah,
always
will
welcome
do.
to pop in and say hi.
Yeah, will do. Thank you once again.
Thank you.